ZOESHAAA.
Good morning. Sorry guys, I swear to you I seen snow. But good morning, and welcome to another weekly vlog. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is ZOESHAAA, well, Zoe, aka ZOESHAAA. And this is my weekly vlog. We post here on Wednesdays and Sundays if we are having a good week. And yeah, if you are returning, do not forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss another video from me. And yeah, I know I'm very somber. I am tired. I know previously, I don't know if it was the previous vlog to this or what, but I know I had mentioned when I was going to my cousin's baby shower that I was gonna be throwing my cousin like a bachelor. Anyways, I ended up throwing him a brodal shower yesterday. So I'm super tired because I was cooking all day, kind of making decorative stuff and that type of stuff. So yeah, didn't turn out how I expected it to turn out because it was supposed to be a surprise for him. He ended up being the first guest because nobody knows time or respects it, and a lot of people just ended up flopping. So but the turnout that we did get was actually pretty good. So yeah, and I think he feels the love, even though a lot of us aren't going to be able to, well, nobody from here is going to be able to make it, but yeah, wanted to do that for him. So he felt good going off to go and get married because he leaves this Friday. Today's Sunday and he leaves this Friday. His wedding is next Sunday, exactly in 1 week. So that's what I'm heading on the road to go do, because I need to make his wedding favors. I need to make his toasting glasses for him to go down with, and his wedding cake topper. So I'm gonna go to Michael's and pick up some stuff for that. Also Dollar Tree to get the candles. What else do I have to do? I need to go pick up a shipping box because I have to ship off my I don't know if I can still say it but my goddaughter, Sandy's daughter, is turning 1. So Amelia's birthday is coming up December 7th. So for her birthday, I'm making the like favor boxes and little treats and custom treats and stuff like that. So I gotta go get the box for that to package everything in and see if I can make it to the post office. If not today, I'll make it to the post office tomorrow and ship those off after work, because those need to get to Florida in time, which I feel like they will. Yeah, so yeah, that should be fine. Most of her stuff is done anyways. There's just one more item that I want to add, and I actually need to pick up something from Dollar Tree because one of the lollipops that I made for her broke, so I need to get a new one to send that off. So I gotta get the stuff for that. What else do I need to do? I want to pick up a box of perm. I want to perm my hair. What else do I need to do? I want to go to Giant Tiger and see if I can pick up some stuff because you guys, we're going to Jamaica. So yeah, was able to get an appointment to do my passport. Passport comes back on Friday. So we're going to Jamaica. I bought my wig. My wig came yesterday, so when I get back home I can show you guys that. I'm gonna see my back. I'm gonna see my back. I'm gonna see my back. Why? I'm gonna see my man. Yeah, I'm so tired, but I'm so happy. I'm gonna see my mans. Okay? So yeah, I gotta go and start getting stuff for that. Although I pretty much have everything. The other day I was on Shein. Well, this week earlier I was on Shein and I had like so much stuff in my cart and in my favorites. So I was just going through, placing my order or whatever, and they were like, "You have too much stuff in your cart, miss." Normally I have too much stuff in my wish list. You know what I mean? But too much stuff in my cart, baby, that's the biggest online order. Like in terms of like amount of clothes and items that I purchased, that is the biggest order I have ever placed in the history of placing orders online. And I'm eating noodles till it's time for me to travel. Okay, so yeah, but I'll look bomb. So yeah, so all of that is done. My mom is also going to Jamaica as well. She is well packed and ready to go. Like her suitcases are in her living room, like she's ready to go. So yeah, should be a really good Christmas. I'm really looking forward to it. Excited about that for so many reasons, but I don't know. I just, yeah. But anyways, I don't want to talk about it too much because anytime when you have too much expectations for something, it never really goes anyway. How you want to go? But yeah. Anyways, so yeah, that's on that. So yeah, we're going to Jamaica. What else do I have to do? Lego. Let's go to Michael's and pick up some stuff. And then while I'm at Michael's, I can just leave from Michael's and go to Staples and get the shipping box. And then from there, we can figure it out. Or do I want to go to Dollar Tree first? And then make Michael's my last trip because Michael's is closest to home. Anyways, we'll see where we end up first, okay? Sorry guys, so I stopped at Dollar Tree first. So I ended up getting... Yeah, I'll show you when I get home. But yeah, stopped at Dollar Tree first. Jesus! What the heck? Fix! Jeez! Yeah, stopped at Dollar Tree first. Ended up getting some candles. Okay. Ended up getting some candles. Didn't get everything. Found some packaging stuff, so I just gotta go home and like make some quick labels and stuff like that. But yeah, it will be easy peasy. This will be easy peasy. Breezy, beautiful cover girl. I'm gonna pick up a tea and something to put in my stomach. And on to the next. So I'm gonna have to find another Dollar Tree, which there's 2 more. Cause this fucking idiot doesn't know how to fucking drive. And y'all, I'm trying to cut back on swearing, so if y'all hear me swear, okay? Yeah, I'm just trying to cut back. I ain't saying I will stop. I'm trying to cut back. I do swear a lot, and it's bad. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna get my tea. Y'all coming to get tea with me? Y'all coming to get tea with me or not? What y'all finna do? Y'all want something? To the same 30 people that always be liking my videos or always be commenting on my videos, I'm going to Tim Hortons. Okay? Y'all want anything? Because I got y'all. Okay? I got y'all. Woo! How about my husband? Politicians say them care. Me only know Joel care. Bombat! Is a race? Is a race?
What do you mean?
Oh, you answer the phone so fast. Not even done ring one time.
I don't miss it. No, but I have the phone in my hand.
Oh. You're talking to bitches.
Hi.
Hi.
Big up.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm good, thank you. Can I get a large steep tea, 2 milks, 4 sugars?
Large tea, 2 milk and 4 sugar, ma'am?
Yes, please.
I buy 4 minutes.
And can I get a everything bagel toasted with butter?
Everything bigger to with butter?
Yes.
Okay.
That's everything.
That will be all, ma'am?
Yep.
What kind of sweet tea?
All right. Thank you. Babe, it's not called sweet tea. It's called steep. It's called steep tea. No. Anyways, people, I got my tea and I got my bagel. I got my bagel, my everything bagel. Let me show y'all because everything bagel is popping. If it's not everything, it's 4 cheese bagel. 4 cheese bagel. Ooh. Can I tell y'all about a 4 cheese bagel? Shit. Oh my god. But yeah, when I'm watching my figure, I need to turn down my brightness. But when I watch it on my when I'm watching my figure, y'all, I just get butter. And yeah, this is the everything bagel. Oh! Y'all see the butter dripping on the car? Jesus. So yeah. That's it. Everything bagel toasted with butter. And I'll show you guys the inside. Like, it literally has all the seasoning. So everything bagel is literally just like an onion bagel with all different type of like seeds and yeah. I'm out of sesame. There's no cheese. Where you hear cheese?
I don't think I cheese, man. What's in the years ago one time?
So good. So good. Alright guys, that's enough for now. I'm gonna enjoy my bagel. I might drive to the next location. I feel like I want to finish this task first, so I think I'm gonna try to find another Dollar Tree. Where am I right now?
Come on, I added to this up.
Anyways, so yeah, as I was saying, I think I'm gonna go and try to find another Dollar Tree so that I can just finish getting everything that I need to get for this order, and then head out and get the other stuff that I need from Michael's and also from the hair store. So let's go to Dollar Tree number 2. So guys, I reached Dollar Tree. Let me go in here and see if they have what I need. Babe, I'll call you back when I reach in the car.
Huh?
I'll call you back when I reach in the car.
Alright.
So guys, these are the candles that I'm going to be using, and I'm just going to make a label to go on it or whatever so it's not so plain. I'm trying to limit the weight that he has to carry down because, you know, everything he has to bring down in his suitcases and stuff. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. He needs 25, so I can pick up 10 more. 10 more? 14, 10 more, 24, 11 more. So 7 packs. 7 and 7. Hold on. 7 and 7 is 14. That'll be 28. Anyways, I'll use my calculator. But yeah, my battery's dying, so I'll be back. That was fast. That was a fail. They didn't have nothing in there, so I'm gonna head on to the next one. So guys, they don't have them either. Yeah, they don't have them either. So on to another one. So y'all, they ain't have it, so I gotta go to another one and get, hopefully they have it. This one is a further one, so it's a little bit of a distance, but the good thing about this one is there's a Michael's there. I don't think there's no Staples or anything like that around there though, but there's a Michael's there. And there's also a dollar store there if I need to go to the dollar store, but yeah. But I found these. Let me know. Anyways, what I was trying to say is they had these. I used to love these sunflower seeds, like out of the shell. Like, I don't know why people would resort to the other ones when this is an option. So much better, you just get straight to the point. Love that for me. Haven't seen those in years. I don't know if I'm just not paying attention. My childhood right back. These are for people on the way to the next Dollar Tree. Hello, I'm gonna put that indicator come as a bag in a parking spot. Not here in the last parking spot. So yeah, when I reach, I'll holla back. Whoop whoop. I'll holla back. Whoop whoop. Y'all, so just left Michael's. Literally outside of Michael's. Yeah, no luck with the candles. So I got everything else that I need except for one thing. But what I'm gonna do is head over to Staples and get the shipping box, and then I'm also going to, hold on, what do I have? I need a fairly big shipping box. Okay, so apart from that, then I'm gonna also, there's $2 trees that I can check nearby there. I'm trying to think if it makes sense to go there first and then go to, yeah, I think it makes more sense to go to the Dollar Trees first and then, yeah. So where am I now? I think I'm just gonna take the highway and head over. So when I get to the fourth Dollar Tree, I'll let y'all know. Okay? Yeah, this is my life. This is why when I have last minute orders, I charge a fee because of this simple thing. Like, I can go to one Dollar Tree and get something and not complete the order, and then have to find another dollar store or something, or another store or something to complete the order. So it's a lot of running around. If I'm using a car, it's a lot of gas. If I'm taking the bus, it's a lot of effort. It's, you know what I mean? It's a lot, but life of an amateur. Hey guys, so I'm home. Hold on. Whew. Yes, so I'm home and my battery's dead. Anyways, see you guys in tomorrow. That's enough for Sunday. Bye! Like, do you see this shit? Do you see this? Y'all, this is Canada's first official snow, well, Toronto's first official snowfall. Look at my cousin's car. Like, where do I begin? How do I get in? For everybody that wants to come to Foreign. Oh my god. I totally forgot about this part. The cleaning of the snow. I was just thinking, okay girl, come down here earlier to start the car. But fuck, can I even get in? Watch out there. Watch out. Watch out. I gotta clean snow. Oh. Oh my god. Y'all. Oh my god. I can't believe this is happening in America right now. North America, South America, whichever America. I can't believe this is occurring in life right now. Like, I really cannot believe it. They said there was gonna be snow, but golly, did there really have to be snow? Ah! What time is it? 11:36. Alright. I feel like the car warming up. It's starting to heat a little bit more. Now is the time where you have to have your extra batteries, your extra chargers, all of that extra stuff, extra gas, all of that nonsense because you just don't know what it's going to keep on the road. But anyways, as I said, I have an appointment today, just now at 12:20, I think it is. So that's what I'm gonna head out and go do. I'm also gonna buy a box of pancakes because I want some freaking pancakes. Like, I want some pancakes. So gonna get some pancakes, and yeah, I'm gonna look at some Christmas ornaments because I want to put up my tree this week. I need to film my Christmas intro. I have the idea, so I just need to get everything in order. And yeah, so yeah, nothing exciting for right now, you guys. Nothing exciting, I don't even think, for today. I'm gonna go home and finish editing a vlog because right now all you guys are gonna be getting is vlogs. And yeah, guys, later on in the day, I actually just got out the shower, just finished perming my hair. So yeah, not really much happened. Oh, actually my cousin, oh Jesus, hold on, my cousin got married today. So when I got home from my appointment, I had to rush home to catch his wedding, excuse me, on Zoom for 1 o'clock. So yeah, he went to Jamaica, he got married. So big up Darren and Ocean, Mr. and Mrs. Sinclair. And yeah, that was really good. That made my day. And then I had to go to the mall. I had to catch Bath and Body Works because they had wallflowers on sale again. So I stocked up. Should I show you guys my new scents? Let me show you guys my new scents. You know what's so funny? The last time I did a haul, I uploaded that video today. Ironically, wallflowers went back on sale today. The last time I did the haul, I was in this shirt and these shorts. Ew! That's so crotty. That's so crotty. Anyways, I gave me a smaller bag today, and I ended up getting my next wall plug-in, so I can put a scent in my room. I got 4 today. They're not for me, they're actually for Babe, and I think I'm only gonna give him 3 out of the 4 because while I was walking to the cash register, I seen this last one and I kind of like how it smells, so I think I'm gonna keep it for myself. But then again, I'm just like, give it to him because you can always come back and get it. Anyways, so for him, I got this one, black tie. This is a holiday favorite. And I also got black cherry merlot. I just have to give him that one. I also got gingham. I think it's gingham. Fresh and relaxing. He's into like meditation and that type of stuff as of late, so I feel like that would be kind of good for him. I try to get things that I feel like would set him in a good mood to, like, yeah, clear his mind, all of that kind of stuff there. So yeah, and then the last one that I got was this Aloha Kiwi passion fruit one. This is the one where I was saying I think I might want to keep for myself, but we'll see. And then I got another one. Hold on. So these are the wallflowers that I currently have in my house, but now they have the ones that you can adjust to how much you want to smell the wallflowers. So I think I'm gonna eventually invest in those. I was on a budget today, so got another one of these ones. This is the one that I also currently have in my living room right now. And then the scent that I'm going to be putting in my room is this one. Oh, I smelt it and I only seen the tester and I was like, where is the rest of it? I was searching around for this the whole time I was in there. But Merry Mimosa, baby, this one. I have a 'Tis the Season and I'm so confused right now as to which one I should put. So I think I'm just going to put this one in my room and put 'Tis the Season for the living room and the rest of the the area. But yeah, that's what I got from Bath and Body Works. That's actually the only thing that I purchased today. And then I stopped at the grocery store and I picked up a bag of potatoes to make my dinner, which I made fried chicken wings and Barbie fried chicken wings with mashed potatoes. And I'm about to go cut up my tomatoes and my cucumbers and have something to eat. I know it's like after 9 o'clock if it's not 10 o'clock right now, so I'm gonna do that and finish editing another weekly vlog, because I think right now, just because of how everything is going right now as I'm recording this, it's Sunday and I technically have 3 weeks before I go to Jamaica. My mom is actually going to be in Jamaica while I'm in Jamaica. She leaves tomorrow. So yeah, time is going. So I don't know if I'm gonna have the time to actually sit down and do any videos. All the content related, like sponsorships and stuff or collaborations and stuff that I have to do with brands, are like travel related videos, so I have to carry everything with me to Jamaica to record the content there. And yeah, so I think the videos are more so going to be like get ready with me type videos, like for vacay type stuff. So like in the weekly vlog, I guess just like prepping to go on vacation. If there are any like separate type videos, it'll probably be like packing with me. If I do any sort of haul to showcase what I'm wearing, which I really don't think I'm going to be doing. And maybe like travel essentials, because there are some stuff that I do want to get or re-get, but just get newer versions of them to carry down to kind of show you guys like the stuff that I do use when I am going back home and stuff like that. So maybe I'll do that, but other than that, I don't think I'm gonna do anything. ZOESHAAA, I think I'm gonna save everything, as I said, for Jamaica when I link up with my hubby. Ew, I hate saying hubby. Ugh, I don't like using that word, hubby. When I go down and look for my husband, when I go look for my man, yeah, when I go down and look for him, I think that's when I'll do like more ZOESHAAA episodes and stuff like that, because I'll have somebody to have more of a conversation with and stuff like that. So yeah, but we'll see. And I was just thinking about it today. I was looking through the bag of decorations and stuff that I currently have for Christmas, and I was like, do I really want to spend? I just don't feel like I need to spend any money on decorations this year, because I'm just like, I'm going to be leaving in 3 weeks. I'm not going to be here for the holidays. When I come back, it's going to be well into the new year. I'm going to be getting ready for my birthday. I don't feel like taking down anything, so I don't feel like I'm going to be putting it up. I have my Christmas tree up all year long. I think I'm just going to leave it literally as is, put it right back up, and call it a day. Like, I don't think I'm gonna be doing anything like that, which defeats the whole purpose of doing a whole intro, because the intro idea that I had was going to be so cute. But it's okay, I'll leave it down in a book, which I need to actually go and purchase, of all my video content ideas, because my problem is I will come up with ideas of videos and then I'll be like, oh yes, and then I'll be like, I'll remember it, forget. So I used to once upon a time keep them in my phone, but yeah, I don't really have the best of luck with phones, so I'm gonna stop doing that and just get a book and write them all down in there. So yeah, I think that's about it. I'm gonna go share my lunch now for work tomorrow, because as I said, today is Sunday, tomorrow is Monday, so I have work. So yeah, I'm gonna share my lunch for the week and get ready to go to bed, call back my husband, and call it a night and go to bed. Ooh, I'm gonna do my face mask tonight. I'm gonna do the one that I can sleep in. This sleep face mask. I went back and I got 3 more. I'm keeping up with my skincare, guys. This is literally my fresh face. Just hopped out the shower. So yeah, I guess I could just put this on now, right? Before bed, thoroughly cleanse face with warm water and pat dry. Apply a thin, even layer to face and neck. Massage into skin and leave on overnight. Rinsing off in the morning if necessary. So I guess I'll just do this. I'm gonna actually need to see what I'm doing, because it's a creme. is in my house, right? Okay, I feel moisturized already. I'm gonna save this. Oh my god, why did I squeeze all of it up? Oh my god, you guys hear about the new strain? Oh god, poor we. Anyways, guys, that is gonna be it for Sunday. I will see you guys more than likely tomorrow. I'm gonna take the camera with me on the road. Maybe we can have some car karaoke and stuff, and then I'm supposed to get a deposit for another order, so I'll probably have to go shop for some material. I'm not 100% sure yet what's going to happen for tomorrow. I know I have to go to my mom's house to pay our partner, and yeah, because it's due the 1st of the month, so by Wednesday. So why should I tell me to buy Tuesday my fee pay it? No, by Wednesday the 1st. I want to see. Anyways, people, that's enough for today. I'm gonna go put in my new plugin and wallflower, whatever, if you want to get technicality. And yeah, I'm not feeling the Canadian Christmas spirit this year. I don't know what it is that just got into me, but yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Guys, so I'm back in the place. Just came back upstairs from putting a load of laundry in, or 2 loads I should say. Bye, you guys. Okay, so I got a lot of like accessories. You guys know I'm a Goldie. Like, ooh, I don't remember. This is a bracelet, I think. Anklet, rings. Maybe. What are these? Earrings, rings, belt. Okay, so jewelry. I just want to take out all my, I don't even know what the heck that is. All my accessory stuff. Okay, wait, let me put back on my pants. Okay, guys. All right. I'm so excited. I did get another slipper. y'all, this is my receipt. Yo, this is my receipt from Shein, and I don't know if there's another one. Literally, you guys, I think I had like 88 pieces. At one point, I was putting stuff in my cart and they told me I had too much stuff in my cart. Normally, they tell me I have too much stuff in my wish list. I had too much stuff in my cart. Bro. Yo, am I even done? I think they threw in some extra stuff because I don't recall ever buying anything sober. Okay. These are glasses. Okay, my orange shades, bitch! You guys, my looks better give how I feel in my head they're going to give. And did I show you guys my wig? Hold on. Woo! I gotta do like a proper review, cause you know, say goody I try to get some ear company them for reach out to her and give her some nice like an ear, you know? Gotta get her look good, isn't it? I'm gonna buy my wig from 1111 on AliExpress goodie from shop, what is this? Ali Annabelle. Big up D. Big up Danielle. Anyway, she there for telling me about the company. A lot of people. I got a closure because the last time I went to Jamaica and I had a frontal, like I just could not manage. Kind of low-key regretting it, but I'm kind of low-key not because I don't really feel like I'm gonna change from a center part anyways. But Goody got her hair. I just gotta go make my sister color it. Listen, hold on. Kill them dead, bitch. Who? Who's that? That's not ZOESHAAA. Who is that? Who? Hello? When Goody have on her nails and her lash and her lip gloss? Is it? OMG! I'm so excited! You guys, today is literally 3 weeks, exactly 3 weeks from today. I will be going to Jamaica and getting some coke. Ay! Lyricist, yeah! 3 weeks from today, I will be going to JA to get some coke. So yeah, guys, so those are my glasses, and I'm actually gonna keep the glasses case, even though I bought one the other day from Dollar Tree, which is super cute. So I'll just take both of them because I always have the glasses in my bag and them scratch up and stuff. So I bought this one from Dollar Tree the other day. You pop it open and then the glasses come out, and I already have my glasses in here. This is from my boutique, The Missing Pieces. Listen, you guys. When I think someone post my Instagram before, I'm gonna wait for them, yeah. Okay? If me not bust on you, to me bust somewhere in a life. Isn't me one way or another? So that's that, I think, for accessories. I don't see no next small bumbo people me find one next sitting. Lord God. Let me satin stripe frill trim tube top and short hollow out cuff bangle Shein drawstring hem ruche sleeve snake design ring Shein sexy one side button through sexy Shein random print belted crisscross 5 pieces geometric shape ring zircon decor cuff hoop earrings 4 pieces simple plain bracelet hollow out cuff ring geometric link bracelet 2 piece resin ring 6 piece hollow out. Hey, Shein men letter graphic tee. Yeah, me can't leave out my man anything anytime I go anywhere I buy anything for myself. I can pick up something from my man. Shein, metal braided cuff ring, minimalist quilted square bag, geometric link drop earrings, chain handle ruche bag, neon orange one shoulder cut, 1 piece simple hand clip, zircon decor ring, Shein crisscross tie back halter top, men twist chain necklace right through, geolink bracelet, 1 pair rhinestone leaf earring, drawstring front cover up skirt, bomba, people me trying the skirt already, me not telling no lie. My bat suit that. I have to figure out which bats suit them, and I'm getting some more swimsuits from Cup She and some cover up, baby. You guys, oh my god, I just need to figure out, like, next week I'm definitely researching locations as to where I can go and take my photos, because like I need some fire pictures. Like Joel better step up his freaking game during this trip. I'm not even playing. Like, okay, yeah, like I'm not even playing. Like he better step it up. Like I'm not playing. Anyways, okay, so this is my, I'm just gonna do like a quick little show you guys what I have. So this is a pajama set. I think I seen Danielle Renee get this, and I absolutely loved it. I thought it was super cute from just regular t-shirt and, you know, or the little tanks or whatever. I like the halter, not the halter, the tube. So I got that, and I also have my satin pieces from Silky. So yeah, so what I'm actually gonna do, girl, once I take out the stuff, I'm just going to, I'm gonna change my sheets. I'm just gonna hang up everything. Oops. So yeah, so far for pajamas, I have this nightie, which you guys see me try on in the video, and the black one that I tried on in the video. The shorts one, the two-piece red one that you guys had seen me initially pick up in the video. The reason why you guys never see me try it on, because baby, the shorts could not fit me. Even though they were all the same size, I don't know, it didn't fit, but I gave it to my sister. But yeah, I had bought this from a store called Akira. I don't know if you guys are familiar with it or whatever, but yeah, they had a sale and I had bought this, I think for like $10, I think. Quality's really, really good. I like how it looks. I don't know if I'm gonna take this and just take pictures in it, because I don't think I'm actually gonna like wear this anywhere, so I'll probably just take pictures in there and just judging it or whatever. But yeah, definitely picture, like, this is like, this trip is, I don't know how to explanation it, but like this trip, as I said before, I don't want to put expectations on it, because I feel like anytime you put expectations on anything, like, you can be disappointed. And I feel like every time I go to Jamaica, like, I'm disappointed because I don't get to do everything that I said that I want to do. But for some reason, this trip, I just feel like I'm, for one, gonna be able to do everything that I want to do and be content. I'm not worried about that, but I'm also going to like work and like batch my content and get as much content as I possibly can, because I see what I can do and I see the potential where I have that I can go. So I'm not gonna stop. Like, I see what I can do, and like I'm like, shit, I don't have nothing now, and I kind of wasted time. So I'm going into this trip is like before I die. Ugh. Whew. As I was saying, this trip I feel like is like the end of the year for me, you know what I mean? So going into the new year, like, I know what I need to do. I need to go back downstairs and get the book out of the car. I got my book. In terms of getting back on track and just doing everything that I need to do. God forbid this damn new strain lets me get stuck in Jamaica again. I swear I will walk back to Canada. There is no way I'm leaving anything behind. I want to be able to fully multitask every stream that I have income coming in from. So whether that be YouTube, my businesses, work, whatever, I want to be able to time manage everything in a way where I'm not burnt out and everything is on track, on schedule, good, all of that kind of stuff. So as I said, I'm going down with the intent to work, because when I come back, I gotta post. While I'm there, I'm gonna try to post. I don't want it to be a thing where, oh, I'm going on vacation, I necessarily need a break, because although this year, I just feel like we just need to write it off this year. You guys can't even pay attention to me this year, because I feel like this year is the most I have ever been like inconsistent, and I hate it for myself, but I I don't know, I feel like sometimes things just happen in life, shakes you up, you gotta just go with it and whatever. I did what I could, and I appreciate everybody that continues to watch my stuff and support me. It means the world to me, so I'm gonna continue to bring you guys what you guys want. And yeah, so anyways, saying all of that to say, let's get our clothes ready for Jamaica. And with that, I also have you guys know my Club Shein stuff. So I have all of these outfits to wear in Jamaica. This can be for like an excursion that we go on or anything, because this trip is mostly going to be, I feel like, link ups and excursions rather than like hotels and stuff, just because my mom is in Jamaica and she wants me to stay with her. So I'm gonna be staying with my mom somewhere that I've never stayed before. So it's actually gonna be kind of new for me. I've never stayed at this place before. I've been there a million times. Not a million times, I've been there like 3 or 4 times. But I've never actually slept there or stayed there. So this will be new for me, and there's people there. So it will be, I think it will be a whole different vibe. My mom's side of the family is so vibesy on a different level. I love my mom's side of the family. So I think it will be cool. But yeah, got these slippers. Oh, yo, I have so much. You guys, I have so much stuff. I thought this could have gone with this, which it kind of can if I could find a green shirt. But I have this lace-up skirt that I had bought from last year. It never came in time, so I'm wearing it this year. I tried it on the other day. It actually fits, but I don't know if I found the perfect shirt for it yet, but it's definitely coming with me. So that's that, but I got these slippers. And I think I have a bag that's this green. Okay, bitch. I was like, oh my god, I don't have slippers. Like, I don't have slippers. But on Akira, I have bought a lot of heels, you guys. If y'all know, you know. A girl has not worn like heels since 2017. Literally. So I don't know, I just get so nervous walking. It's weird. But anyways. So yeah, that's that. I got this light jacket just to take with me in case like I get chilly. Oh, my arm. Ow. In case it gets chilly or whatever. It's cute. Look, it's really, really thin. It's just a little pullover. And you can you know? Yeah, so got that. So I can even wear this down depending on what I wear. But it's really, really light, so this won't add much just in case. I'm just showing you guys the stuff, but I'm actually gonna try them on. So I don't even know if I'm gonna show y'all everything, but y'all can just watch me unpack. Woo! Jesus! And then when I put on the glasses, you guys, I'll show you my accessories. Okay, this is a lot smaller in person. This is robbery, but I guess we'll get away with it. It's a cute little brown link bag. So yeah, I guess I can wear it like that. Probably won't unless I wear it like out in the day or something like that or whatever. Excuse me. So yeah, that. Other bags that I get. Okay. This crocodile shoulder bag. You know these vintage bags are in, yeah, love. So when I take my pictures, yeah, like going in my purse. Oh! It's the influencing for me. Okay. Yeah, you guys, I've been designing for one of these bags. Oh, the green is so perfect, and the green goes with this, but obviously the link is different, but still I can get away with it. I need to love this bag, absolutely love it. Don't you love it? Comment down below if you love it. Yeah, like the video if you love the bag. Yeah, yeah. Oh, well, if I green, bye-bye. Watch out. I never know, so I'm going to need all colors. Okay, I got another. Okay, well, I mean, different looks, you know. So far, I have 3 green bags. Although, you guys, I have my, oh my god, I have my, oh my god. Y'all, how am I gonna manage? How am I gonna manage? I wish my mom would have let me pack stuff with her. Like, how am I gonna ooh. This is so marky. Oh, I know how this is gonna look. I just ordered a thing from Cupshe, a cover up from Cupshe, and I have a bathing suit from their last haul that I did on my channel. And I have a bag in here, a beach bag. It's gonna be so freaking fire. Oh my god. And I have all my inspo pics saved, so. Houses on 10. Thick bitches. Big chicks. Wow, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags so far. Oh man. You line up eating them good, yeah? Oh man. Watch me, Shein. Hello, Shein. You see how much of my own money I spend? Hello. I deserve something. Nah, backside, watch the more bag. People, my bag out. It's one of those cute little scrunchy bags. I actually thought it was going to be a little bit more like fabric, but I can get away with this. I can get away with this. No, sir. Oh, I know it's so much fun, people. This is cute. Oh my, this is cute. Yes, baby. Get into it. Get into it. That is cute. Okay, do I have any more? Bombard. Watch out, people. More accessory. So them do, they just dash me things in my box. I don't love that. You guys, this is the bag. And the lavender was the perfect fucking color because you guys, as I said, I have the perfect. Go for it. Ah! Oh my god, it's perfect. It's perfect. It's perfect. It's perfect. Guys, I have my lavender bath suit. And when you guys see the cover up, just remember I told you guys. Even this with the orange. Okay, but I'm not scrunching. This I had with the intent to wear with this. So we shall see what happened. No, some love. Oh my gosh, almost forgot. I got these slippers. 2 shoes. I think that's it. Let me get more shoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 blowout bag. How much accessory? Holy cow! Don't mind the socks. How much accessory? Glasses included. I'm gonna get my shoes. And yeah. So anyways, y'all, I'm gonna put my stuff away. So yeah, just watch me do that, okay? Have fun. Wow, so tell me how I thought I recorded my outro, you guys. I guess the camera cut off, but anyways, I am completely done taking all my clothes. I feel like I don't have any clothes, so I'm gonna have to really start packing. This is the aftermath. And I'm also doing laundry. So yeah, I gotta go get my clothes right now. Actually, put them in the dryer. I think I've been up here for more than 30 minutes. But yeah, gonna figure everything out, and then yeah, this is the start of something new. It feels so right to be here with you. Yeah. Yeah, I'm a big idiot today. Anyways, guys, me have to go look for what I have and seeing what we can make outfits out and all them something there and take it from there. But I think that's gonna be it for Tuesday, as I was saying, and I will see you guys tomorrow, hopefully. I hope I remember my camera in the morning time, so I take you guys with me on the road when I'm going to work. So yeah, tomorrow, bye.